Good morning, Woodlynde School. Great to see you all again. Today, our students are going to help us have a vision for the future, and they're going to share a hope or a dream they have for you and for themselves for next fall as we return to school in September. So leading us off, Layla.
So my hope and dream is that we will have quiet classes because of the construction, and I'll get to see my friends more because of all this.
Okay, fantastic. And I think we're going to be in good shape with construction because it should be finished by the time we return back to school. Emma.
Yeah, I hope the construction is finished because of the coronavirus, because of because of the virus, really. 'Cause I thought they weren't working on the construction because of this, but they are. So I kind of hope it gets finished in time.
And like I said, it will be. Phoenix.
My hope for next year is that we will be able to return to the buildings in the fall and still be able to have at least some classes, like actually on campus, in the new building sometimes. Because like Layla said, it would be just really nice to see everybody in person again. So looking forward to that.
Thank you. Morgan?
My hope or dream is that we'll be able to return to school in fall so I can see all my friends, and that I'll be able to play tennis on the varsity tennis team again.
Thank you. Jameson?
I'm hoping we'll be back together in September and we'll be back together in morning assembly, sports classes, plays, musicals, recess, lunch, all the things that we enjoy as a community and connect each other. And I'm so blessed for this community and I'm so blessed for the workers that are doing the instruction.
Thank you, Jameson. Mateo?
I hope that everybody can return to Woodlynde safely, and I hope that no one gets the virus, and that that any of you guys and everybody in the community knows that no one ever has it, and that we also get to see our friends and be with our teachers again. And I hope that that we're just gonna be with each other, because being with our friends and our teachers and Woodlynde community is probably one of the best feelings ever, besides being with your family.
Thank you, Mateo. Grayson?
A hope or dream I have for next year is to be able to see everyone in September. And I'm really looking forward to how awesome the construction site is, and I'm grateful for how hard everybody's been working, and I really hope that we will be able to do all the things that we did at the beginning of this year before this whole virus.
Thank you, Grayson. Michael, finish us up.
A hope or dream I have is to go back to school in September and see everyone from the community again, and to also run cross country starting in the fall again.
Awesome. Thank you, kids. Appreciate your contributions. I have a couple of birthdays to celebrate. On Friday, May 22nd, please wish happy birthday to Miss Cecina. And on Saturday, we have two birthdays. Yvonne Greer, happy birthday. and she shares a birthday with CJ Toretta. Happy birthday, CJ. On Sunday, Mrs. Vandenaker has a birthday. I think she's 29 years old this year. And on Monday, Memorial Day, please wish happy birthday to Ella Ryan. Upper school students, when you see this video, there will be 2 more days of Zoom classes left, and then a week to be sure you have all your work completed. So take advantage of that. Go to your classes, complete your work, communicate with your teachers. Make it a great day, everybody. See ya.
Bye.
Bye.